If you need injection molding services, look to Xometry, the brand engineers and supply chain experts trust. Xometry supports a wide range of injection molding processes, offering a massive menu of material options, as well as post-processing services. With Xometry, you'll be supported by our technical experts and get quotes and lead times on prototypes, bridge tooling, and large production jobs. Plus, when you work with Xometry, you get injection molding the way you want. We only recommend design changes for manufacturability. That's because our massive network of vetted molding partners can support nearly all types of needs, no matter how unique or complex your part requirements. Our team of engineering and operations experts are dedicated to your project's success. With Xometry employees on the ground in the US and internationally, Xometry will oversee your molding project, ensuring quality, speed, and cost efficiency every step of the way. Starting your injection molding project begins at Xometry.com. Get a quote or chat with our experts today.